Next, let me comment all these 5 lines of code. Now, by default, the week starts from Sunday, right? So if you want to change that, you can use the first day option and set its value. So first day, and it starts from 0. That is 0 is for Sunday. So suppose I want to start the week from Friday. Then the number should be 5, right? So let's see. Refresh. See, now the week starts from Friday. So first day is the other option to change the day from which the week should start. Then in some languages, as we have seen in Arabic, it starts from right to left. Okay, so if you want to start from right to left, you can use the option is RTL, where RT and L should be in capital and the value should be true. So let's see the output now. Refresh. Click. See, it starts from the right hand side. So it starts from right 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And it goes like this 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. So if you want to display the date picker from right to left, you can use is RTL. Okay, so that is the next option, is RTL. Now let me comment these two as well. Next, we can actually show the number of the week if you specify show week to be true. So let's see how it changes our date picker. Refresh. Let me click. See, you are seeing WK and the week number here. Okay. So if you want to change this header value, you can use the option week header. So instead of WK, if you want to display something like WNO, you can use the option week header. Okay, week header, and set the value to be WNO. If you want to change it like this, refresh. Let me click. See, you are seeing like WNO now instead of WK. So actually this is the option to localize, and to see this in effect, you need to have this option as well. So this week header is the option to localize the date picker. So week header, and if you want to see that in effect, we need to set the value of show week to be true. Otherwise, we will not be able to see the week number. Okay. Now there are a couple more options. Let's see that as well. Let me comment this as well. And you can actually add a suffix to the year if you want. That is, you can specify year suffix and add some suffix. Suppose I want to add AD as a suffix to the year. Let me refresh. See, now you are seeing 2016 AD. Let me have a space here. Okay, and refresh. See, 2016 AD. Like this, you can add a suffix to the year using year suffix option, year suffix. Now, by default, we see the year after the month, right? Suppose we want to see the year first and then the month, you can use the option show month after year. So let me comment this as well and add the option. It is show month after year, and we need to specify it as true. And let's see the difference. Now you see the month first. Let me refresh. Click. See, now you see the year first. So you can use the show month after year option if you want to see the year first and then the month. Now you can have 4 more options to localize the date picker. They are prev text, next text, current text and close text. So if you want to see the action of current text and close text, you need to see another option, that is show button panel. So let me specify show button panel and set its value to be true. And let's see the output. Let me refresh. Let me click. See, you are seeing 2 buttons. In fact, this today button can be used to go to the today's date. Suppose I click here. Okay. And if I click today, you will go to the current date as it is 4th. And if you click the done, the date picker will be closed. So by default, the text is today and done, right? So you can change this using current text and close text. So current text, let me change from today to now, and instead of done, let me make it close. And let's see. Now you are seeing today and done. Let me refresh, click. See, it is now and close. And let me click the now. See, you are moving to the current date. So there is one more option that should be discussed along with this. It is go to current. Let me show you the difference. Now suppose I selected date 23. Okay. Let me change this date format as well because I don't need that. Save, refresh. Let me select 22nd of September. Now it is 22 and the month is September. That is 09. Suppose now I go to another month and click now. It is going to the current date itself, not to the selected date. So if you set the value of go to current to true, say go to current and its value true, then it will go to the selected date. So let me refresh. Now it is September 22nd and the current date is 4th of August. And from November, if I click now, it is going to the currently selected date. Before setting the value of this option, it was going to the today's date instead of the currently selected date. So here we have seen 4 options. In fact, this current text and close text are used to localize the date picker, but we need to use the show button panel to see this in effect. So show button panel. Okay, and also we have seen go to current along with this. Okay, now 2 more are remaining. They are prev text and next text. So here we are seeing 2 icons in the place of previous month link and next month link, right? If you want to change it, you can specify prev text. Let me specify previous, and for next text, next. Okay, now let me cut it from here and paste it here. And with the standard theme roller styling, we will not be able to see this difference. It will be replaced by icons. So just to see this output, let me remove this link to our CSS file. Okay, and see it. Save, refresh. Let me click. See, you are seeing previous and next. We are not able to see the styles because we have removed the CSS link. I have removed it to show this. Instead of icons, we are seeing previous. It goes to the previous month, and next to go to the next month. So you can change the previous and next links text using prev text and next text. Prev text and next text. So in this, actually we have discussed 18 options. Out of 3 were not actually used to localize the date picker. This show week, then show button panel and go to current. These 3 options are used to see some of the options in effect. So let's once again recap all these options. Date format is used to format the date. We have already discussed in detail in another previous lecture. Month names short is the short form of the month name that should be displayed when the date format is capital M. Then month names is used to change the name of the month that should be displayed in the date picker, and also the month name that should be displayed when the date format is capital MM. Similarly, day names short and day names are used for the same purpose, that is to display the date when the date format is capital D and for DD. Day names min is the name of the day that should be displayed in the date picker. First day is used to change the first day of the week. Is RTL is used to display the date picker from right to left. Week header is used to change the header of the week. Show week is used to show the week number. Year suffix is used to add some suffix to the year. Show month after year is used to display the year first and then the month in the date picker. Current text and close text are used to change the text For the today and done buttons, show button panel is used to show those buttons. Go to current is used to go to the currently selected date instead of the current date. Prev text and next text are used to change the text for the previous and next links. So these are the 18 different options we have discussed in this lecture. These options are used to localize the date picker as we want.